Hello, hello! Good morning! How are you doing this morning? I assume you guys are doing well today, right? On today's to-do list, we are playing Traveler's Rest because it's a very chill game. I was told that it has a Stardewish Valley. I already have a playthrough that I'm doing right now. I'm practically nowhere like important. So nowhere important. So there's a lot of stuff that you guys get to watch me do. And I think that's a lot of fun. I don't really want to do a new playthrough with it because I practically have a new save anyway. There's not that much of a big... I don't have big upgrades for my stuff or anything anyway. So... And I gotta remember what all this stuff is, cause it's been a hot minute. I usually used to play this game in the middle of the night at like 1 or 2 in the morning. Reject stress, return to small brain. Actually, you know, I was thinking one of these days I'll just pop open a brain pop and be like, all right guys, this is what we're doing today. Doing brain pop. We're just gonna be playing brain pop at 10 in the morning. How do you guys feel about that? I think it'd be a lot of fun. Because I really love puzzle games anyway. So something in the morning that's just like a nice little puzzle game would be very, very nice to exercise my little noggin with. But anyways, let's get this started. I'm gonna open this game. Have a bunch of other things to also talk about. On the first day of the Kickstarter, you guys managed to get us all the way up to $236 funded. And I know it doesn't sound like it's a lot, but it actually is a lot. Because that means we have about 9 backers. And if my math is doing properly, that would mean we only need like 91 more backers for the early pledges. We need about 91 backers for the regular pledge. Well, not for the regular pledge, for the early bird pledge. And then an additional 20 for the regular Woolie pledge. And then it'll be fully funded, like 100%. So please share and retweet and like and do what you need if you really want these Woolies to come to life. I really want them to come to life because they're so cute, and even though the goal is 3,100, it covers quite literally everything. You'll end up getting plushie, you'll end up getting the brain fart so early in the morning. The care card, thank you cards, limited edition postal cards, and extra freebies as well. So if it ends up being fully funded, you know, I think that everybody's gonna end up getting a sticker, a acrylic charm, if and only if everything gets 100% fully funded. So this is a group effort. It really is a group effort. But enough of me talking my head off, alright? Enough of me talking my head off about this. As much as I would love to get this Kickstarter up and running, I'm gonna have the little goal bar at the bottom for this, and a command as well for the entire month until March. What day was it? March 5th? What day was it? Until March 6th. That is when this Kickstarter ends, and you will not be able to back anymore. Alright? Then enough of my rambling. Enough of my rambling. Let's get this thing started, alright? Would you guys prefer to have a full screen for this game? Not too sure. What do you guys think? I'll move myself over. Got a big old head, man. How's audio? Is the audio okay, guys? Does it need to be a little bit louder? Let me know. Audio seems fine. Alright. Let's get this show on the road. Something's weird on the right. It kind of hides the game. Oh! My big old head's in the way. Big old head, my big old head. Big old head, my big old head. You have a question, Sir Booyah? What's your question? Wait, what's your question? I'll answer your question. Who's the cutie on the bottom left? That's my plushie! The Woolie! He's up for pre-order on Kickstarter. Welcome to version 0.63 Innkeeper. This update adds a new crop system, a new way of acquiring recipes, weather phenomena, and much more. You can toggle off light flashes and weather visuals in options menu. It also adds a new autosave system, many new recipes, and raises the maximum possible reputation level to 50. I'll be honest, I don't know where to put Woolie. I kind of just put them in the corner over there, because I don't think it'll be that like in the way. But like if it just let me know if I need to make him smaller, okay? It's kind of hard to tell like how big or small they need to be. With the new crop system, many crops are now seasonal. In addition, the soil must be watered every 3 days so they can grow. Fruit tree sprouts can be planted in a normal terrain and won't require watering, nor will they die in seasons where they cannot be harvested. Now, whenever you level up, you obtain recipe fragments, which will be exchanged for new recipes in a mysterious temple north of the Tavern. You also added a lot of new content, 32 types of new crops, over 100 new recipes, and 2 new areas. Another feature is that from now on, whenever you go to sleep, the game will save automatically. We hope you enjoy the new update. Please feel free to share your opinions on our Discord server and or Steam forums. We keenly welcome feedback. We'll keep working to grow the game and make it more and more fun. Thank you for playing Traveler's Rest. You know, I really like this game for what it is. It's a lot of fun. It's a very simple game, but I don't remember how to run. How do I run this game? Oh. I really like this game. It's very Stardew Valley-ish, but I don't feel really stressed out because you can open and close the tavern whenever you feel like it. To age the drinks, just add them to your aging barrels and let time pass. As time passes, the drink will level up and increase in price up to the maximum level of Grand Reserve. Approach the aging keg and press Y to open the menu and place the beers inside. Drinks can be aged for several days, but they only need 1 day before they can be served. Wait until the beer is ready by working at the tavern or sleeping so time passes by faster. Oh, I don't have enough fuel? Oh! I need wood. Oh, I need 15. Oops. Bread. How do I... Oh, I was pressing the wrong button. Here? Ah. Oh, where's the cat? Phew. Ugh. How did this work last time? I'm ready to start drinking at work. At work? There are two types of dispensers, the taps and the kegs. The taps can only hold carbonated drinks such as beer, while the kegs can hold the rest of the beverages. Remember that a color can be assigned to each beverage from the beverage dispensers to make it easier to identify drinking orders. About water. Water. Let me get this day started. Check this mail. Beet seeds. Growable during spring. Chance of extra harvest in spring. What season is? I don't know what season it is. Well, let's get some barley grains. Get some beet seeds. And let's just get some bell peppers. Why not? Candle. Oops. Didn't press the right button. How do I... Cauliflower. I I don't know if I even bought it. Did I buy it? Oh yes, I did. I just have now I got a bunch of stuff that I just get to feed the fire. Yep, here you go. I don't remember what we're supposed to do with this thing. Not gonna lie. I don't remember. Were I supposed to do stuff with that? Anyways, let's just get some stuff. Oh lord, I don't remember how to... I'm gonna have to Google this. I can't go that way. How am I supposed to... Let's figure this out. How am I even supposed to water it if I can't have a... if I can't use a bucket? Let's check out... I can't go that way either, okay. Anything down here? Can I go down here? I can? Okay. Is there anything here that I can... Okay. Oh, is that a whole turkey? I can't... Oh. How am I supposed to... Can I hit it with the broom? Oh! I can! Why the broom? Wait, why the broom of all things? I assume I can fish here? What can I do here? A broom. I can kill things with a broom. I see. What's this? Hi neighbor, you must be the new owner of the tavern next door. Great job, by the way. That place was pretty much in the ruins before you arrived. For heaven's sake, where are my manners? I'm Buzz. My family and I welcome you to our farm. Your family? Yes. My wife Holly and I recently purchased this land. We just moved in with our 2 children, Arthur and Violet. A true blessing from the gods. We've had to repair more than we like, but it's been worth it. Since Holly opened up the store, we've started getting orders from all over the kingdom. If you need anything, don't hesitate to ask her. Build? I see you finally got around to constructing your first building, huh? Don't worry, Buzz will explain how this works. At the moment, you only have the barn and chicken coop available. The barn will allow you to take care of large animals such as pigs, cows, and sheep. On the other hand, the chicken coop is smaller for small animals such as chicken. On the right side of each building, you can see how many such buildings you can currently build with your farm. In your toolbar, you can see your available resources. Remember that you have to carry the building materials in your inventory to be able to use them. Here you can see how much it will cost to construct your new building. As soon as you accept the building order, that will be deducted from your materials. What do you mean, you find it expensive? I'll be damned, neighbor, that's the cost price. If I made it any cheaper, I'd be losing money. That's all for the time being. If you have any necessary resources, when you select a building, you can choose the area where you want to build it. Remember to clear the land before you come to see me. I can't even build any of these. But chickens for a chicken coop would be nice. So that means I have to get 25 wood, 15... I probably have all this. Because I'm a hoarder. I know myself a little too well. I wonder... I can't take their stuff, right? Yeah, I can. Ollie! Welcome to Harvest Hill Farm. We've got the best products that... Oh, wait. You're the innkeeper of the farm next door. I knew you looked familiar. Nice to meet you. I'm Holly, owner of the Harvest Hill Farm, along with my husband Buzz. Although we only recently set up shop, I can assure you that our products are the finest quality. Whether there's animals or products to care for them, we have everything you need. Let's buy some cow milk. Can I buy this? I don't need anything else. Eggs. Ah, I don't have the money. I wish I had like a little map so I can see where I'm going. I need to make sure that I get into this house. Because if I don't, this thing will yell at me. Oh. Larkin. Alright, I'm broke. Come in and give me your money. I keep getting water. Yeah, I got an enchanted broom. Great. Unshrimping! I'm unshrimping! Oh, Lord. Leave. Backstreet. I'm glad that you color code this now. But I still don't remember how. Still don't remember how certain stuff am I supposed to. There's an encyclopedia. Growing crops. With the watering can you can till. Watering can. Do I have a watering can? Oh, I do have a watering can. Alright, let's get some. Plant some here. Oh, no rope. Here. Oh, you know what? It's a little ugly, but that's okay. Please give chill commentary whilst I work. Jay, how are you? I hope you're doing well. I hope work is going well. What did I need from here? Cherry sprout. Plant a cherry tree. That's 2 gold. That's 2 gold. Hello? I got rice though. All 2 gold. Why do you think? Hell no. Ain't no way. No way I'm spending 2 gold on some what? On some cherry sprouts. I better be making 3 gold back. 3 gold? Takes 20 days to grow? Okay, it's a one-time purchase. I get it. Let's see. I need to go grab the Oh wait, no, not this way. I think if I age that thing for a little bit longer, it'll last. Did I open it on accident? I did. You know what? It's fine. Some extra gold won't hurt me. Yeah, go magic room. Yeah. Get out. It's too dark in here. Well, I got no money for some. I got no money. Do I have candles? I don't. None. I ran out of candles. I forgot that I need candles. I don't think I can make candles, right? I gotta buy it. Candle. Running a tavern is hard. You're starving. Oh god. What's going on? Oh, you're in. No. Did that sound? I forgot. Did that sound mean that I got stuff? Does that mean I got stuff? Oh Lord. I got things. Okay. I got stuff. That's the stuff that I needed to be per se. Oh, thank you. Hydration, I will drink some. Hopefully they don't burn them down. They don't burn down the place while I'm putting the stuff out here. You should be fine, right? Fine, right? Shouldn't be that bad without me. There. Right. X. We gotta run. We run. I gotta go. I gotta go. They're asking for things. Water. I'm coming. I need to get to a high rank quickly. Welcome to the food service industry. You know I would never make it. Alright, let's get this all this place sorted out. We need to get all the candles that I have outside, which is here. And we need this. So then I can go all the way up here. Wait, no. I need to do this first because I'm running through this area. Hello? Nice. Why? Please. No. I need that. Let's put a car. Wait, do we have 4? You get the rest over there. I have so much stuff to do, Lord. I don't even know if I don't know where to fish. I don't know how to fish. So thank you to the creators who left me a whole encyclopedia for people that are like me and forget. Ooh. Now that's all I need. Got some beef. Where's her man? Oh, there he is. Look at that. Okay, I gotta write this down because I won't be able to get this till here. Maybe I could just pull it up. Okay. Got it. We can make some other food with that. I don't remember what else they need. Let me double check. They wanted... Did I put the porridge on there? Wait, no. We're making the porridge. We're making the porridge. We got porridge. How many of it did we need? We needed only 20. Okay. And then we needed mild ale with hop. That needed to be aged. Right? Right. No. Is it crafting? No, it's not in the crafting. Building? Growing crops? No. Birds? No. Animal companions. Running a tavern's hard. Alright, make bed. Open. Yo, what am I supposed to do with these firewood stockpiles? Extra bonus firewood in the working area. I need to look this one up at some point. I'll do it after I'm doing my character go to bed.